Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some fascinating space news with you today. We're starting off with a story that's out of this world, literally. SpaceX's Starlink satellite constellation has been making headlines lately, and not just because of its impressive size. With over 9,400 satellites in orbit, it's accounting for a whopping 65% of all active satellites in space. But what's really caught our attention is the staggering number of collision avoidance maneuvers these satellites have been performing. According to SpaceX's latest report, their Starlink satellites carried out approximately 109,000 collision avoidance maneuvers between June and November 2025. And if we add that to the 104,000 maneuvers reported earlier in the year, we're looking at a total of around 300,000 maneuvers in 2025 alone. That's a 50% increase from the previous year, and it's got experts sounding the alarm. Hugh Lewis, a specialist in space debris at the University of Birmingham, says this is an incredibly high number and that we're moving towards a pretty bad scenario in orbit. With several other mega constellations being deployed, the risk of collisions is only going to grow. And as Samantha Lawler from the University of Virginia points out, SpaceX's dominance in certain orbits is raising questions about access to space for other operators. But what's even more surprising is that SpaceX has revealed repeated encounters with other satellites, including a Chinese satellite called Honghu 2, which had over 1,000 close approaches with Starlink satellites. And if that's not enough, the company also reported an incident where a Japanese spacecraft performed an unannounced maneuver which could have raised the risk of collision. It's clear that the situation in space is getting more complex by the day, and it's going to take some careful navigation to avoid any catastrophic collisions. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we are exploring the wonders of the universe and the mysteries that lie within. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in modern physics, the concept of a multiverse. You might have heard of it before, but what exactly does it mean, and how does it challenge our understanding of reality? Imagine a vast expanse of bubble universes, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. This is one of the ideas put forth by cosmologists, who suggest that our universe underwent a period of rapid expansion after the Big Bang, known as inflation. During this time, tiny quantum fluctuations in the structure of the universe got stretched out to enormous scales, creating regions of space with different densities and properties. But here's the mind-boggling part. These regions could have given rise to universes with different particle masses and force strengths than our own. Electrons might be heavier, or gravity might behave differently. In some of these universes, life as we know it might not be possible. This raises an intriguing question. Why does our universe seem so perfectly tailored for life? Is it just a coincidence, or is there something more at play? One theory is that our universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse, where an infinite number of universes exist with different properties. If this is the case, then it's no surprise that we happen to live in a universe that supports life. After all, we wouldn't be here to observe it if it didn't. But testing this idea is a daunting task. Scientists are searching for signs of bubble collisions, which could leave scars on the cosmic microwave background radiation, but so far, none have been found. Another approach to the multiverse comes from quantum mechanics, which suggests that particles can exist in multiple states until observed. This has led to the idea that every time a measurement is made, the universe splits into multiple parallel universes, each with a different outcome. It's a mind-bending concept that challenges our understanding of reality and the role of observation in shaping it. While the prospect of visiting other universes might seem like the stuff of science fiction, it's an idea that has captured the imagination of physicists and philosophers alike. Wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through space-time, could potentially connect different universes, but creating them would require energies far beyond our current technological capabilities. As we explore the mysteries of the multiverse, we're reminded of the vastness and complexity of the universe and the many secrets that still lie hidden. Whether or not we'll ever be able to visit other universes or communicate with our parallel selves, one thing is certain: the journey of discovery is just as fascinating as the destination. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, we're going to talk about a mission that's out of this world, literally. NASA's Artemis II is gearing up to take 4 astronauts on a 10-day voyage around the moon, and we couldn't be more excited. This mission marks a significant step towards returning humans to the lunar surface and eventually sending them to Mars. Imagine being part of a team that's pushing the boundaries of space exploration. The crew of Artemis II will embark on a journey that will take them farther than any human has gone before, with a distance of over 257,000 miles from Earth. That's a new record for human spaceflight, exceeding the one set by Apollo 13 back in 1970. But it's not just about the distance, it's about the teamwork and dedication that goes into making such a mission possible. As astronaut Christina Hammock-Koch said, "It's not about farthest, first, fastest, longest. It's about the teamwork." And that's what makes space exploration so remarkable: the collaboration and innovation that come together to achieve the impossible. The Artemis II mission will also test the Orion spacecraft's capabilities, including its ability to handle manual steering and docking with a lunar lander. The crew will perform a series of tests and maneuvers, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible in space. As we look up at the stars tonight, remember that there are people working tirelessly to take us closer to the cosmos. The Artemis II mission is a testament to human ingenuity and our drive to explore the unknown. So let's keep looking up, shall we? That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.